Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And it's been so long that I did not put any video because I was on a vacation, and sorry for that. And before that, I'll quickly begin with, like, I think by now you will be having the visa process in your hand, also a lot of free time, and most of the universities here in Germany starts on in October, and you might thinking to come before, and if it is up to you, but you have like 2 months of time. So what to do in this 2 months of time? So today is the 4th of August. So basically, now I'll show you what you have to do on in this 2 months. Firstly, you have to prepare um, like so. I think my screen is sharing. So in these 2 months, firstly you have to book for the intensive German course. And by the time I say German course, everyone will be like, ah, but trust me, this will help you a lot, and this will bring you a lot of money in the future. And how it will bring is like you will be knowing, and how to register for the VHS course. First thing first, do not register any German course in India, guys. I have I have applied for, like, I joined to many courses and those are not good. Trust me. And try to go for the VHS or VHB course. I'll show you. For example, if you are in Stuttgart, or like, some of the courses are on online also. VHS Deutsch course online. So you can go like this, and some of them are like, oh, sorry, VHB. So let us take in Bayan or somewhere else. This is online. Like, again, if I say online, like if it is voluntary, you will feel like, ah, no, 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 voluntary, no, no. You have to pay money, then only you will get the taste of it, right? So yeah, and oh my God, okay. So let us go to the Stuttgart VH VHB Deutsch VHB Stuttgart. Sorry, VFS VHS. So go to here and register for the any online course, and here you have to find it. It takes some time for you to do that, but take some time and go to like each courses and register, and then after in the 2 months try to complete at least one level, or like 1.1, or like 1.1, 1.2, like that, or like at least one full level, and try to be up to B1 level. And as soon as you come, you will be having lot of job offers. And the thing is, just struggle for this 2 months, and you are going to earn a lot of money after coming to Germany. So how you are going to learn, like earn, is like you will be having a lot of opportunities in the jobs, and then after also, like, you can get the part time very easily, which I really don't encourage. But in the worst case, that is the only option to earn money here. And at the end, you all are coming for, I think, either to improve your skills or earn money. I think that is the thing. So I suggest you to just learn this German language, and you're going to earn a lot of money. And keeping this aside, and I will tell you like how to apply for the jobs. So yeah, two things. First thing is like learn German, and second thing is like apply for the jobs. So I'll tell you like how to apply. And you might be knowing like, la, LinkedIn, we know. No, there are some tricks. So if you're, for example, if you are studying in FAU, so example, like heavy jobs, try like this, and you're going to having lot of jobs. Oops, wait a second. So this link is expired, I think. Yeah. Student self. Yeah. So like this, and this is like FAU, in the FAU portal. But what I suggest is like go to your department and search the jobs over there. Right now, I'll tell you like my department was FAU LTM, and I'll go here and I'll show you how to find the jobs. Wait. Jobs. Again, it's here. Wait. It is. Okay, earlier it used to be here somewhere, but I don't know. Now it is not. Yeah, let. Oh, firstly, it did not open the LTM program. Wait. Yeah, you have to go to their website, and then after, okay, they changed everything. Yeah, famous professor. Mm, yeah, team alumni. Also, he was my thesis professor, supervisor. Or sometimes like you can mail to the respective professor or PhD students if there are any heavy positions. But what I suggest is like mail to the secretary. Don't mail to these people, okay? Because if there are anything, the secretary will be knowing, and he or she will be sending you this thing. So let me find you. Let me tell you how to find the career portal. Team, no, persistent online, no, portion, structure dynamic. Then after, okay, I think now they have removed it. Okay. Lecture, approving student engineers, secretary, maintain protocol, studio. Okay, leave it. So like every department will be having the job. So like try to find it and apply it. And before that, and what I'm going to tell is like as usual jobs. So go to jobs here and try like working student and try to put it as like at least last date posted as like past 24 hours, because that is the only best thing to do it. And try to select your field. If it is automotive, select automotive and try to apply. And also what I feel is um, use the latex form, because that is ATS friendly, and that is what I feel. Like go to ChatGPT and give your present resume and tell that to like, hey, can you give the resume in latex form? So it will give the latex form, and then you can go to Overleaf. This is the Overleaf website. You have to go, and here you can create a new project and do it. And it is so simple, and also it looks so good. And then after yeah, just go to here, and then after go to each website and EDAC, they will be having separate portal, and you cannot apply it in the LinkedIn itself. So you have to create your account. I have the account in this in this portal. So you have to go to its Beverman, and then after you have to apply it, and that's it. And one more thing is like you can also do this automation. Recently I did automation, but it was not working that perfectly. As soon as the automation as soon as I fix the automation, and then I will make another video. And one more thing you can also do is like you can create the as I think you know Comet browser. So in the Comet browser, what you can do is you can go to any one of the sorry, I'll show you LinkedIn. Then after go to assistant and give this command. Can you please find the people? Can you simulcast and setup? Okay, put it past 24 hours and easy apply, and give one of the resume before itself, and tell to the browser like, hey, can you apply to the jobs which are easy apply, and give some, it will ask some of the questionnaires, and you can apply it. Right now I don't have tokens, so I cannot show you, but I'll give it a try. Can you apply the jobs here? Okay, so I have exhausted my tokens, but it is also one of the best tool and to apply the jobs. I mean, easily, like when you are sleeping, like it will do it for you. And but the only thing is like you have to keep your browser open all the time. And what other things there? Yeah, try to do this, and then after, as I told you, there is a website called this Sprout portal. I'll give the links of every website which I'm showing here, and if I did not put anything, please comment it down, and I'll put it. I'll update the links again. And on Monday, you will be having B2 level of speaking classes. These classes are so good than any other paid classes, and these all are free. And sorry, and these are online courses, and on A1, like you can go to the classes, and like this is like only for the working, so until A1 level. But right now, if you are looking for the B1 level, yeah, like you can go to here and join the classes like Montauk, Midwalk, Friday. On these days, they will tell the course. I mean course, not the speaking. So for speaking, you have to go to another. I don't know, B1. Let's go to B1. What's proofing Deutsch lernen? Sorry. Let's select B1. Um, Okay, I'm unable to find it, but this is the link. I'll put this link in the comments in the description. You can find it, and like whenever the class is active, you'll get an option to join now, and it is so good. And this is completely for free. Like this website is completely for free, and I highly encourage. But this, if you join this classes every day, it doesn't mean you're covering every topic. So this is only for the practice, I feel like, and also the teachers are so good, and they don't speak not even a single English word in during the class. That's how you learn it. Like, yeah. And yeah, and I have one more thing. Wait a second. Uh, Downloads, yeah, tips for CV. So this is the how to make the resume, especially like as I told you, like it has to be user friendly, and you can make this kind of resumes using in the overleaf which I showed you here, and easily you can make the resume, and which is it is friendly, and what are the action verbs you have to use it, and how you have to put your wording. Like I will show you one example. Yeah, ETOP. Utilize an action verb plus task or project, the outcome purpose when developing bullet points. So you have to the content of your resume, it has to be so good. And if, for example, if you are like passed out in this year and you are coming to Germany in this year only, then I suggest you to apply the working student jobs, parallelly apply the heavy jobs. So heavy jobs are very easy to get you, and I started my career in Germany with heavy jobs, and that was testing job, so it was so good. And also it was like developing a project, and and also is it at the time the competition was very low, but right now it is so high, and I suggest you to apply for the heavy jobs than more than working student. But if you have luck and if some referral works, then you might also get the working student, don't worry. And yeah, I'll also put this document in the comment section or in my comment drive, where there are many things, and it will be useful for you. Mhm. Yeah, and that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learn something valuable from this video. And if you like this video, please hit like and share this video to your friends. And also, some people are telling me like how to connect with me, and I'll show you how to connect with me. It's so easy. Wait a second. Yeah, share. Yeah. You can go to this website which I recently developed. Yeah. So you can go to here, and here you can find it, my LinkedIn profile somewhere in the bottom. Yeah. So you can click on the LinkedIn and you can message me. And yeah. So that's it for this video. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.